Hello friends, welcome to e-learning platform of Kari Sarva Vishwavidyalaya. Today we are going to talk about mutual fund. I am Dr. Shailaja Parmar, will help you out to understand mutual funds in a better manner. Okay, now when we are talking about mutual fund, let us understand the meaning of mutual fund. Mutual fund is a type of financial vehicle made up of a pool of money collected from many investors to invest in securities like stocks, bonds, money market instruments and other assets. Now when you are talking about the mutual fund, at that time the very first thing which is deriving over here or a driving force which make an investor to go for an investment into mutual fund is the safety of funds. Okay, and that is what the guiding principle which is actually driving mutual fund investments. So what is happening exactly over here when you are talking about the mutual fund as an investment? Okay, so the mutual fund companies, those are known as asset management companies. The asset management companies are collecting the savings of the many investors from the various corners of the country, and they are ultimately investing all these investments into the various investment opportunities. Like they may go for an investment into the government securities or other corporate securities, or even apart from that they may go for money market instruments for the investment purpose. The only objective over here behind all this investment plan is to create the earning for the investors, those who have handed over their money to the asset management company. So what is happening over here? The mutual fund is a type of financial vehicle, that is a type of financial opportunity wherein the funds from the small investors are being collected. The funds are being collected by the asset management companies, and further those funds are being invested into the various investment opportunities available into the economy, and the driving force for the same is the safety of funds. So ultimately we may say that the small drops of water makes a big ocean. Why we are saying like that? Because the small investors are putting their hard-earned money into the financial vehicle which is called as a mutual fund, and the small drops of investors from the n number of investors into economy makes a big asset management company which is ultimately aimed at the good amount of return for all those investors. Okay, fine. Now let us understand something about the definition. The definition has been given by the Securities and Exchange Board of India Regulations 1993. It defines mutual fund as a fund established in the form of a trust by a sponsor to raise monies by the trustees through the sale of units to the public under one or more scheme for investing in securities in accordance with these regulations. Now let us understand the definition. What is happening? That the funds has been collected from the investor for the investment purpose, and that would be known as that investors would be holding this investment into the form of the units. Like if you are investing into a capital market, then in that case the investment is been made into the shares of a company, and if the investment is being done into the mutual fund, then in that case the investor would be holding the units of that particular mutual fund with him. Okay, so what is happening, that ultimately the investment is being done into the various investment opportunities, basically the safe investment opportunities into the corporate houses, money market instrument, and even the government securities. What is the main point of this? Like, if you are as an individual going for an investment into the stock market, at that time your own knowledge, your own expertise will only guide you to go for the investment decisions. But over here, the investor do not have to worry about that which portfolio or which particular security wherein their funds would be invested. Why? Because the expert professionals, the professionals holding expert knowledge of the market and the securities and the various investment avenues into the market, would be guiding the investment of those investors over here. So what is happening over here? With the expertise and knowledge of the people, your investment would be done into the various investment avenues available into the market. Now understand that how actually the mutual fund works. Now when you talk about the mutual fund, what is happening? The funds from the various investors would be collected over here. The funds from the various investors would be collected from here. The collected fund would be invested into the market with the help of, now who would be guiding this fund or who would be managing this fund? The fund is been managed by the expert people, the professionals. Those are employed by the asset management company or a fund manager, and those are known as the fund managers. So with their expertise, with their experience, the fund managers would be going for an investment into the various investment opportunities like government securities, capital market securities, stock, bonds, gold, money market instruments even. And what is the intention, the objective behind all this planned investment is to get returns or is to generate return for the investors. So ultimately, when the returns are being generated by the fund managers on the investment made, they will pay back that return to the investors for their investment which they have done into the mutual fund company. And that is how, in short, to talk about mutual fund is nothing but a pool of funds from one end of the economy, that is from the investors, to the another end of the economy, that is the industrial area of our economy. Thank you.